In the early morning hours of October 14th, 2022, Neveah Brave Heart was killed in a hit and run at the intersection of North La Crosse and Van Buren Streets in Rapid City. The driver of the vehicle, who ran her over, left the scene. Upon investigation, the Rapid City Police said Neveah Brave Heart was walking along North La Crosse Street at approximately 12:25 a.m. with an adult acquaintance when she attempted to cross the road at the intersection of Van Buren Street. While crossing, a vehicle hit her and then fled the scene southbound. On November 13th, the Rapid City Journal reported that the Pennington County State's Attorney's Office announced a resolution in the legal proceedings against the individual who was identified as driving the vehicle, Jordan Hare, and that incident that he was involved in that led to the death of 14-year-old Neveah Brown. Instead of facing a trial, though, Hare will plead guilty to a Class 1 misdemeanor of obstructing a police officer, and the felony charge of hit and run with injury will be dismissed. It is understood that he will be appearing before a judge on December 8th. According to the state's attorney's office, the plea agreement follows a careful examination of evidence, including witness statements, forensic review, and other technology review, and a thorough analysis of evidence collected at the scene and post-incident. The community, so family members of victims of crime, joined at the Pennington County State's Attorney's Office yesterday. One of the people that was there was Neveah's mom and her grandmother, seeking justice in the case of Neveah, hoping that people will understand that there is an incredible disruption in their lives, and the sadness that they're experiencing is a direct result of the poor outcome of this legal process. Stay engaged, stay involved.
Heather Badleon, and I'm here at the Pennington County Courthouse, State's Attorney's Office, trying to get justice for my daughter, Neveah Brave Heart, who was killed in a hit and run a year ago, and we're still fighting for justice.
What was the plea bargain that they made?
To throw out the hit and run felony and to get him for a misdemeanor one, obstruction of police officer.
Has he gone before the judge yet? Has the judge accepted the plea?
No, we have court coming up December 18th.
December 18th?
Yes.
And if you were to ask the community what you'd like for their support, what would you like from them?
Just more support for Neveah to be here and speak your opinion about what's going on with her not getting no justice.
My name's Anita Brave Heart, and I'm the grandmother of Neveah Brave Heart, and I'm here at Pennington County Courthouse heading to try to get justice done for my granddaughter, Neveah. And I'm thankful for all these supporters here to support us to get justice done. Okay. Thank you.
My name is Deanna Prue, and I'm a community member here in Rapid City, and I'm here to support the families of Neveah Brave Heart and Aiko White Eagle. The decision to do the plea deal for Jordan Hare in the hit and run, to reduce it from a felony hit and run to a misdemeanor obstruction of a public official, is a complete miscarriage of justice. They found him. They knew that he was driving. He left the scene, left her to die in the street, and he washed his vehicle, covered it up, painted it, knew that he did that, and the state's attorney has a decision. They choose what they take to trial. They chose to reduce this to a plea deal, not take it to trial. They're going back and forth between the sheriff's office and the state's attorney's office with who is responsible or who has a final say, but nobody's taking responsibility for it. And this is just another way to show the community and the public that Native lives do not matter to the majority culture.
In addition to Neveah Brave Heart, baby White Eagle's relatives were there also. Chris White Eagle, her grandfather, spoke yesterday as well. She died on November 19th, 2022 at 2 months of age of blunt force trauma. Chris White Eagle expressed frustration that the case has not moved along. They just want justice, he said. Additionally, other situations the group is concerned about include Kyle Whiting, Kasey Arehart, and Abby Steele. Stay tuned, stay engaged, and support your community.